Stainless steel tongue scrapers. I think this product is by far one of the best things I've ever came across. So I am very big on dental hygiene. I take pride in my smile. I've been like this since I was a kid. And when it comes to dental products, sometimes you can go overboard, and there's a lot of dental products that are one use. And I used to use the tongue scrapers back then where they were disposable until I came across a steel tongue scraper. Now there's different kinds. There's one with like handles and you can kind of like scrape your tongue that way, or there's this one that I've been using where you just use one hand to use the product. I love it so much because it's easy to clean, and obviously it's stainless steel, it's rust resistant. So when it comes to cleaning the tongue scraper during the week, I just add some hot water once when I'm done with it, a little bit of soap, I scrub it with my hands, not that big of a deal, and then I just put it in the cabinet to dry. Now when it comes to deep cleaning them, again, another easy method. You can soak them in some hot water and vinegar, let them sit in like a little bowl. But if you have a dishwasher, you could throw them in the dishwasher. So I throw ours in the dishwasher once a month, and that's it. It's super, super easy. And again, this is a product that will last you forever because of the quality. So needless to say, I do not have to buy a tongue scraper ever again because this one's gonna last me forever. And I actually purchased one for my boyfriend as well last year, so my boyfriend loves his too, and like I said, we wash them both the same. So anyways, I just wanted to mention that having a stainless steel tongue scraper can last you a lifetime. And I will say, I get a kick out of products that you only have to buy once and never buy again, because you are saving a ton of money in the long run. Reusable cloth napkins. Now, a lot of you guys already know I am obsessed with our reusable cloth napkins. I purchased mine from Marley's Monster. This is not sponsored, but I've had mine since 2020. They are pricey, but they are worth it at the same time. So we have about, I think like 50 of them. And I did grab the neutral colors. You can grab whatever colors, whatever print you like. And they act as a napkin, so like a paper towel. It's just crazy how much money we've been saving with switching over from paper towels to reusable cloth napkins. When I moved in with my boyfriend back in 2020, he used to use paper towels all the time. He would buy them once a week because he would use them for, you know, to clean the house with, to wipe his hands after washing dishes, to wipe the table, use them as napkins. So we definitely cut that expense in our budget once when I switched over to the reusable cloth napkins. You can wash them with your clothes, so you do not have to do an extra load of laundry. I wash the reusable napkins with our clothes, or I just add them in any kind of load that I'm doing, because it is just a small amount of cloth napkins. Now I can see if you have a larger family and you ordered like 100 of them, then definitely do it on a separate load. But they work great. You can hang dry them, you can dry them in the dryer on low heat if you're in a pinch. But yeah, this is one of those products that will last you forever as long as you take care of them. I mean, don't go scrubbing your car outside with them, or the rims to your car, or just using them on like rough surfaces, because then they will rip. It is cloth at the end of the day. But as long as you take care of them and you're washing them properly, these cloth napkins will last you a lifetime. Also, I will have a coupon code down below if you guys want to try out the Marley's Monster reusable cloth napkins. I am not sponsored. I am just part of the affiliate program, that's about it. But yeah, there is a coupon code down below. I think it's either 5% or 10% off your first order, but that can definitely help you save some extra cash if you want to try out these items. Also, they have a ton of other reusable items on their site. I believe they have like reusable toilet paper, if you're into that. They have reusable trash bags, a ton of reusable items on their site. So I will have the link down below if you want to check it out. Certain clothing items if you do not dry them. So I am a huge advocate for air drying your clothes instead of putting them in the dryer. Now, do not get me wrong, I am not perfect. Of course, I do use the dryer here, but only when we are in a pinch. So if I'm staying home and I have the room to air dry everything, then I will do so. But if we are in a pinch, we have to go somewhere, or I do not have enough room to air dry, then I will use the dryer. But with using the dryer, I try to stick with the low temp because high heat can damage your clothes. When it comes to that lint trap, like when you clean the lint out of your dryer, that's not just like lint on your clothes, that's pieces of fabric. Like your shirts and your pants, they're breaking down slowly. So that's not just lint, it's literally particles of your clothes. So keep that in mind, that if you are drying your clothes all the time on high heat, you might just be ruining decent clothing items and you have to repurchase them, so you're technically wasting money in the long run. So I've been doing this method since 2017. There are a couple items in my closet that I still have from 2017, like my tank tops. I have a pair of jeans, and I do not put them in the dryer. I always air dry them and they look brand new till this day. I've had them for, again, 6 years. So it is possible for certain clothing items to last forever as long as you do not dry them in the dryer and you're also taking care of them, where you're basically not treating your clothing items like crap. I always treat what I have with respect. So even if it's just a sweatshirt like this, I always try to take my time to fabric shave the sleeves if there's a lot of pills on them. I will lint roll it with a lint roller. Just try to take care of the things that you have right now. That way you're not wasting money in the future and purchasing new items when you could have just taken care of the stuff that you have right now. Real wood furniture. I've always heard about real wood furniture lasting a long time, but I didn't know how good it was until we got really lucky last summer and we went to the near the garbage bin down in the lobby, and we seen a free real wood table with real wood chairs, and we ended up just keeping it. So we brought it upstairs. We brought our old table down. If you guys remember our old table, it was a glass table. It was falling apart. The chairs were completely destroyed from this little guy. When he was a kitten, he was teething a lot and he just tore up the chairs with his nails and his teeth. So anyways, when we got the real wood table in our apartments, we realized on how sturdy it was and how long it's definitely going to last us, like years and years to come. I did purchase a wood cleaner for it, so I'm not ruining the table. I think the previous owners were using a harsh cleaner because some of the wood is a little bit messed up and a little bit faded, but it's nothing too drastic. So with me doing my research and purchasing a decent real wood cleaner, I could see this table lasting us a long time and how sturdy it is. It's definitely not that cheap stuff from IKEA. And do not get me wrong, I still love IKEA. My hangers are from IKEA. I don't know what else I have. I have a couple other things that are from IKEA. Nothing against them. But their tables, and also with Walmart and Target, their tables and faux wood tables do not last. So I'm very grateful that we came across a nice free real wood furniture, because now I know how sturdy they are and how durable they are. So if you ever come across some real wood furniture and you need it, take it, because I guarantee you this stuff will last you forever. It's not gonna break down like that cheap stuff. I forgot what it's called, but it's the stuff that IKEA, Target, Walmart, I think it's compressed wood, I think that's what it's called. And it's very flimsy, and that's what my first table was made out of, was compressed wood. If you guys remember, when I first started my channel 6 years ago, I had this it was like a faux marble looking table, and it was made out of compressed wood, and that table was completely breaking down. But yeah, I learned my lesson with getting cheap tables. So if you do have the money or you come across a real wood piece of furniture, grab it while you can, because I guarantee you this item will last you forever. And just a little reminder, it will last you forever if you take care of it. So make sure to use the proper cleaner for real wood items, because that is going to prolong the color on them and the shine. Same thing goes for your floors. If you have real wood floors, I used to have real wood floors in my first apartment, and all I used was some Murphy oil with a tiny bit of water. So I diluted it a little bit, and it made the floors look very shiny and clean. So always take care of the stuff that you have or the stuff that you are going to get. And the last item that will last you forever is stainless steel cups or glass cups like mason jars. Obviously with the glass cups, so you know, mason jars, be careful because glass does break, but if you are careful, they will last you a long time. The mason jars that we have are just tomato jars, so with the tomato sauce, once when it's done, I rinse it out, put it in the dishwasher, and voila, we have a glass cup or a nice little storage cup, so it works great. But those things will last you forever. We've had our mason jars for a couple of years now, and so far they haven't broken. I'm very happy with that, and I'm always careful when it comes to glass items. Now when it comes to stainless steel cups, the same thing goes for the stainless steel tongue scraper. Anything with stainless steel, it is going to last you a lifetime. So my boyfriend has a stainless steel cup that he's had since, I think it was like 2012. It is a little banged up on the bottom because he has dropped it numerous times while doing his runs, his morning runs, his nightly runs. And there is times where you drop certain items on cement, it happens. But even though that stainless steel cup took a beating, it's still with us and it's still holding water. It can hold hot stuff. It's just really nice to have something like that on hand, and especially with it being, I don't know, like over 10 years old now. So like I was saying, it is a little banged up, but not that bad. I mean, it's still with us, and that is like the one cup my boyfriend does not want to get rid of because it's definitely serving its purpose and it's outlasting a lot of other water bottles that he used to have. So now he just sticks with the stainless steel water bottle because it's still here and it's one less thing to buy. So if you have a stainless steel cup at home, a mug, or anything that's stainless steel and you have use for it, keep it, because I guarantee you that's one product you will not have to buy ever again. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, what is that one item that has lasted you forever, whether it's 5 years, 10 years. I think for me it's got to be some of my clothing items that have lasted me forever, but most of you already know that. So yeah, let me know down below what has been lasting you forever.